Welcome, thanks for joining us. Today we're looking at the all-new Workshop Series CNC tables from Strata. Within this range we have the WS1212 and the WS66. As the name implies, the 1212 is 1200 by 1200 mm cut space. The 66 is 600 by 600 mm. Both units have roller wheels, so we can slide them out of the way or pull them back into position, put the wheel locks on when we need them. Both tables have limit switches at the end to stop the treble going too far. We also have a torch height controller which will automatically adjust. If our plate has a bit of warp in it, it will lift and it will follow it back down again. These tables are designed to go with both 3-phase and single-phase plasmas. On the side we have a control module. We can go into this and we can load preset shapes, we can alter those dimensions, or we can import our own drawings. The table itself is reasonably low current draw. We're talking around 700 watts of power, which is about 3 amps of current. So looking at the capacity of each table, let's look at the dry weight first. The 1212 can carry up to 215 kgs, whereas the smaller 600 table is around 90 kgs. If we put the recommended amount of water in, which is 50 litres for the small table and 125 for the larger table, that reduces our weight capacity down to 90 kgs and 50 kgs on the smaller table. So in relation to that, let's look at a plate of 10mm steel. 10mm steel 2.4 by 1200 is around 230 kgs. If we chop that in half to go on our bigger table, that's still around 130 kgs. So if we want to put 10mm plate on our table, it might pay to drop some of that water out so the legs aren't under load. So what am I going to cut on my CNC table? There will be those of you who are looking at this for work purposes. Again, somebody shows up on a Friday afternoon, needs that bit of work done urgently, you haven't got time to get it to a laser cutter, this is a great tool. For those of you who haven't done plasma cutting before, check out a site called Etsy. If you go into there and look at maybe fire pits, for example, you can load fire pit DXF. DXF is the format we download our files in. There will be a whole range of fire pits that show up. These are minimal cost, or there's other places you can go online and download files like that for free. From there, we can put it into our Strata CAD software that comes with the table. We can alter these files, we can copy them, we can put our own name on them, whatever you want to do. We reload it into our CNC cutter and we're good to go. Neat bit of gear.